Hi there, Chris. I got this tip from somebody over at my gym today. She was a fundamental analysis, a CFA, and said, well, I was talking about how I was short gold, which we're taking a look at gold right now. It is on a bit of a pullback right now from where I recommended the sell, so we're about even right now. We'll see what happens next. But anyway, she said, take a look at Freeport McMoran. Even though a lot of people expect, like, with the copper prices going high and gold prices going high, she said just take a look at it. You might find a good opportunity to take a short position. So I jumped in here and I drew these lines. We have this bottom trend line from those three marks. We have a trend line that extends a little further out from this channel right here. So one touch, two touch, three touch, and going up to here. And then in the 6-month chart, we can see right here, it looks like a, let's see, one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch, five touch, coming, almost five touches. And it is, yes, a descending triangle. And oddly enough, take a look at this line right here that I have highlighted, this dotted one, this trend line, up, 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 and right around that border we see it converges with its support level that sits around $53 even. So a combination of a break below $53 and a combination of that with a break below this trend line would constitute a strong sell signal. That's three signals. The stochastic isn't telling us too much. The RSI is neither overbought nor oversold, so a breakout is feasible. And then also from this upper channel line, this purple one here, that line is also nearly converging with the support line. So a break between three significant support levels would certainly constitute a intermediate term or short term downtrend. And where would our target be? We take the height of the triangle, which is from its $61.50 high, flip it over down to its $53, and we get a level just about a little less than $45, but because 45 is a psychological anchor, people like nice easy numbers, I say that my projected target is at $45. Now, of course, I could be wrong. It's not good to estimate where a stock is going to go, where it's going to go before it actually breaks out from one of these patterns. So right now we see the bulls and the bears are still fighting it within this pattern. It's just that the probability of it going upward is kind of rare. So I'm going to duplicate that line. I'm going to project it from possible breakout level around, let's say, $55. So I'll give it a few days to actually break out through there. And we have a target of around 62.50, and let's see if I can make that any better by seeing if we have a trend line that coincides with that. Yes, we do, right there. See, small trend line, pretty insignificant, but short-term target would be 62.50, and we could estimate that happening fairly shortly after it would break out. So I would estimate sometime in March. With the bottom trend line, if it would break out, we would estimate it hitting that level. Let's see, it's moving about this trend, this trend line here, and it's moving about that speed. So we could estimate hitting 45 perhaps at the beginning of April. It seems actually a lot of my short positions in gold, in commodities, have estimated bottoms in April. So perhaps April might be a good time to close out our shorts in commodities and to start buying them to see if they start going up again. Alright, so here's our trade. Short gold as soon as we see a breakout, either above $55, above this trend line, or below $53. We're going to set our stop price. If it's a short trade, we're going to set our stop price just about where it is right now, $53.50 on close, or if it breaks up to the upside, $54.50 on close. That means it has to close either above or below that level to activate our stop. Alright, so here's our trade for February 12th, 2011, and good luck to anyone that takes it. Of course, file any complaints or any questions in the comment box. Thanks for watching.